Writers, if you've wanted to tell your story, but a traditional memoir doesn't feel like the right shape, come to my free masterclass, The Alchemy of Memory, writing the hybrid memoir on Wednesday, October 8th. I'm Valerie Ihsan, your Witchy Book Doula and book coach. We'll explore what makes a hybrid memoir different, how it blends personal narrative with other threads, research, family history, cultural commentary, interviews, even photos or recipes to create a cohesive, resonant whole. We'll also look at memory itself and how to reach the true essence of your story, beginning with a short meditation and an oracle card pull. If you've ever thought, my life isn't big enough, what do I write about? I don't remember everything in order. I'm worried about family reactions. Or how do I weave research in without it feeling dry? This class is for you. You'll learn the core building blocks, scene, reflection, research, resonance, and how to braid them, how to put both memory and movement on the page. Hint, part of it happens before you write. Practical and spiritual approaches to scope, privacy, and deciding what belongs on the page, and momentum tools to get started now and keep going. We'll also bust common memoir myths. No, you don't have to tell everything or be famous. You'll leave clear, energized, and ready to draft. It's live, it's free. Save your seat for The Alchemy of Memory, writing the hybrid memoir, Wednesday, October 8th, 2025. Grab the link in the show notes or visit valerieihsan.com/hybrid to register.